Hi, I'm Janiqua Maynard, and today we will be discussing the vaginal microbiome and the effects on a newborn's baby's microbiome. The human body microbiome is an extensive collection of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that live in and on the body. This includes the vaginal microbiome. It undergoes fluctuations continuously throughout the female menstrual cycle and the entire life of a woman. The vaginal mucosa is comprised of stratified squamous, non-keratinized epithelium, and it is layered with cervicovaginal secretion. Furthermore, the fluctuations are recognized in women of reproductive age. There has been a sharp decrease of the vaginal microbiome with regards to the abundance and diversity in pregnant women. Additionally, an important component of the vaginal microbiome is the lactobacilli species. It produces varying antimicrobial compounds including lactic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and bacteriocins that flourishes in the anaerobic environment of the vagina. Therefore, it contributes to the health of the vaginal microbiome. Thereby, a defense against invading pathogens is established. The primary source of lactic acid and D-lactic acid are the lactobacillus species that contributes to the habitat pH value that is lower than 4.5%. If you follow me and look at the diagram that I would have drawn, you will see the epithelial cell and lactobacillus species interacting. The epithelial cell is comprised of a nucleus. We also have the mitochondria, the Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, and you can see the cilia projecting, which has interactions with the lactobacillus species, which has its DNA here in the middle, along with a cell wall, its protective capsules, and ribosomes as well. As we compare their sizes, you can see the epithelial cell is around 28.0 to 108.06 microliters as compared to the lactobacillus species, which ranges from 0.5 to 0.8 microliters in size, and you can clearly see the depiction of their interaction. Scientists would have noted that there is no precise way how these cells interact with each other in the vaginal microbiome, but there are ongoing studies to identify this interaction more precisely. So in addition, throughout most of human history, babies' initial exposure to the world of bacteria is through the contact with the microbes lining their mother's vagina. As they exit the womb, they are covered by these bacteria. Lactobacilli is documented as a bacteria that eats lactose, which is the main component of milk. During parturition, the baby's mouth is filled with lactobacilli. The babies go up against their mother's breast and they inoculate the nipple with lactobacilli, and now milk and lactobacilli go into the newborn's baby's stomach, and that is the foundation for their microbiome. In contrast, if babies didn't acquire the beneficial bacteria normally or at the normal time, then the foundation for the microbiome might be a little rattled due to the babies not receiving their beneficial organisms during a C-section. The way we were born plays an important role in determining which of the 5,000 different species of microorganisms colonizing our guts. To add to the importance of lactobacilli, bacterial vaginosis, also commonly known as BV, is a lower genital tract disorder that is greatly common globally in women of reproductive age. About 23 to 29% of women are affected worldwide, and 4.8 billion is annually spent on the treatment of symptomatic BV. Bacterial vaginosis is distinguished by the loss or drastic decrease in the amount of lactobacillus species, with correspondence to 100 to 1,000-fold incline of facultative or anaerobic microbes concentration in the vaginal microbiome.